Hello everyone, and this is a video on how to draw a spaceship. I'm probably going to come up with my own spaceship design in this video, so I'm going to imagine a spaceship design and see how well that turns out and stuff. It's going to be your basic spaceship design, probably like something similar to like the spaceships you see in Star Fox or something like that, or Star Wars. Yeah. So, so let's start. Start with the center of the ship. This. Like that. And I'm going to draw the wind. Let's see. Let's draw the windows of the spaceship too. Like this. Yeah, like that. And I guess I could draw the something like this, like that, like a spaceship. This pattern design for the spaceship. And I'm going to draw something like this. Like that. I guess like draw the wings for it. I'm going to draw the wings. I guess it's supposed to be the rockets on the spaceship itself. Draw the body longer. And yeah, I kind of drawing this really fast because I'm trying to imagine the spaceship I design. So the wings are small like this. And go draw the air vents. Draw the air vents. Draw the air vents on it. And I'm going to draw the back like this. I'm going to draw smaller wings like this. And I'm going to draw the fuel that goes out the back as well. This stuff. I guess these are the air vents, some of it, honestly. Yep. This is basically how I do a spaceship. I could do food design changes, like something like this. And I could draw the pilot, this someone flying the spaceship. I mean, should I draw Joshua flying the spaceship? Because Joshua is like a robot inventor and stuff. He already went to a mech suit, so he should be able to ride on a spaceship. So let's just draw Joshua in it as well. Josh from Scrap Discovery. Yeah, because it's going fast. Yep, that's how I drew a spaceship. Yeah, it's a very quick video, quick drawing tutorial. Hope I didn't draw too fast for you guys. Yeah, because I have begin comments saying I'm been drawing too fast. It's just a simple spaceship design. I guess you don't. I guess. Hmm. I think YouTube has a feature that allows you to slow down videos. I'm going too fast. I think. Yeah, I think it does. If you go on like the YouTube settings on a video, you're able to slow down the length of the video, so the video can play longer and stuff. Other than that, this is dual spaceship design. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and that's it. Also, one more updates. I have been working on the episode 11 of Karate Bugs, and hopefully I'll get that out soon, or at least by the end of the week, end of this week, I think, or the middle of this week, probably. It depends if I have enough free time, because I have been working lately a lot lately, so I haven't had the chance to make any like animations lately. I mean, I did do the fucking force, the fucking dive animation as well. So yeah, yeah. So that's it.